In this guide, I'll show you how to fix lag or latency issues while playing games on your Nintendo Switch. So, the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings in the bottom right corner. Then on the left sidebar, scroll down to Internet. And I recommend you test your connection. Bare minimum requirements according to Nintendo are 3 megabyte download speed and 1 megabyte upload speed, which I'm sure most of you have. Now go to Internet Settings once you've done that. And from here, we're going to be selecting our Wi Fi network. So it's going to load, and you should see a blue check mark beside your network. I'm going to select mine. And then I'm going to go to Clear Settings. Now, this is going to disconnect us from our internet, so I'm going to do that now. And once you've done that, what I recommend you do is press and hold the power button on your Switch because we're going to be turning it off. Now, when you turn it off, leave it turned off for 30 to 60 seconds. And I also recommend you power cycle your home network. So if you have a modem and router, disconnect them, so unplug them from the wall for 30 to 60 seconds as well, and then plug it all back in, and then come back to Internet Settings and select your Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to select mine now and input my password. So once you've done that, press OK, and your console should connect to your network device and to the internet. Now, if you're still experiencing lag or latency issues while playing games, some other things you could do would include moving your Nintendo Switch closer to your wireless router, as well as moving any metal objects or electronic devices away from your Switch console. In addition to that, you can also purchase an Ethernet adapter for your Switch so you can use a wired connection, which will improve your download speed as well as stability. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.